But after that, things went on, and then after 1 month, Shreya joined, then Rahul joined, and then we carried on the department. After that, I became Dean, then Dean of Students' Welfare, and I wrote a note. It was very interesting. I have learned many things from Sir, many things. Let me be very frank enough to confess. And the best Vice Chancellor I have come across in my life. I have seen so many Vice Chancellors, but let me be very frank, and I have told him on the face that don't think that I am flattering you, but rather it's fact, and I am speaking from the heart, that you are the best Vice Chancellor I have ever encountered. Because not only you are visionary, but because you catch things very fast. He saw my one-page draft note. Do you write like this? You are writing article or note? You are writing from the beginning. This happened, this happened, this happened, and now. No, don't write like that. You only come to the point, come to the gist. Don't write like that. So that thing I learned. Don't write Ram Kahani. You just be to the point. And I learned how you have to be to the point. And from then on, I improved. And then after some time, I asked him, Sir, have I improved? Yes, you have improved. Now you can write well. You can write on the files, because I never wrote on the files. So, as a man from literature, I used to write long notes. Okay. And then he told me, be positive. Never be negative on the file. Never be negative. Be positive. So I always used to be positive on the files. So I have several encounters, and then he sent me a note. Not one note, but 2 notes. I'm still keeping that note. Well, Professor Sinha, what happened to the language lab? It's not functioning. Again, it was a sleepless night for me. I thought that I'll be thrown out of this university because language lab was not working. I was searching here and there, and I am not that good as the younger generation is in computers. Let me be very frank. I can send emails, I can listen to the music, I can write a few lines also, but I am not as good as Professor Datta is or Mr. Ghoshal is. Okay. So I was in search. So I contacted one person from Delhi, and he said, how much you will pay? I told him that we can pay you 35,000 rupees. No, it's a very less amount. I won't come for 35,000 rupees. You have to pay more. Then I went to Sir, and I always say that our Vice Chancellor is Raja, is king. How he is a king, I tell you. So you should have increased it. You could have told that, yes, we can give you 60,000, 80,000, or even a lakh if he is very good. Then thought that he is a king, he is a Raja. And I was very stingy in quoting the price for a teacher, 35,000. But then I got 2 young teachers in the meantime, and Khushbu and Mayank, and they made it functional. I'm happy that they made it functional, and I got very good feedback from the students also that language lab has started functioning. It is working. Okay. Now, I would like to point out at my department of dance, drama, music, how history repeats. When I was in Ranchi University, the then Vice Chancellor, Mr. Sheen Akhtar, he had made one full auditorium for me, saying that I want to give you this auditorium and you will be in charge of performing art and culture. But nothing came. You know how things move in state universities. And I made syllabi and all about that department. Suddenly, I was called by our Vice Chancellor and he said that you have to run this department, this cultural department, dance, drama, music. I was dean, I was head, I was already dean of students' welfare, and now top of it. And several times I used to go to him and tell that, sir, please relieve me from all these posts because it is too much for me. And his answer was, you have to do it. You have to do it. And then I had no option. So that cultural department went on very well and it gave a lot of name to our university. We won several prizes and Jharkhand government gave 85,000 rupees also, awarded 85,000 rupees to our university, and during the Vice Chancellor's meet, we were awarded 10,000 rupees by the president of that committee. And I sent some groups to Assam also, Kachiranga and all, from that very group. So, in a way, whatever little I could do, I could, because I had to fulfill the wishes of our visionary Vice Chancellor, because he is one person who means business. When he wants a thing to be done, he wants it. And for that, you have to go to Cherry Manatu to see what a wonderful site it has developed into, all because of his vision. It's simply mind-boggling when you go there and see the landscaping, which is naturally landscaped and other things. So I cannot forget that very, because that land was given to Ranchi University also and they couldn't do anything for full 10 years. And our Vice Chancellor could do it within 1.5 years. And that has come up beautifully. Now, I have received a lot of love from my colleagues, from my young colleagues, from my old colleagues, and I should not forget to tell that my guardian, whom I call my guardian. Why I call him guardian? Because I fear only one person in this university, nobody else. I don't fear even Vice Chancellor, but I fear only one person, and that is Professor Sharma. Why I fear? Because he is my guardian. You always fear guardian. You are always frightened of your guardian for several things. He is smiling because he knows that why I call him guardian. Though he is my friend, but at the same time, he is my guardian. And because I have said that I am very emotional, sometimes I had to wipe my eyes. I wanted to lighten the whole atmosphere. But before I finish, I don't want to take much of time because we have to go for lunch also. I would like to recite one small poem, and that is the philosophy of my life. In that very poem you will find my philosophy of life. Because many people have said that I am always positive, I am always smiling, and it's a fact. I am very positive, I am always smiling. Why? I am your neighbor. I am your neighbor. You are the wind in the pines. You are the wind in the pines. I the bee in the flowers. I in the bee in the flowers, sucking honey. Moonlit lake. It's vibration. The whole creation is vibration. The whole creation is vibration. Hanging, shimmering in time. Love is vibration. River in our body. I just be. These are the lines. I just be. If I stand, I sink. If I stand, I sink. So many RTIs, so many complaints, so many anonymous letters. I don't know what they are going to get out of it. If I struggle, carried away, I don't want to be carried away. Neither standing nor struggling, I want to cross the flood. Neither standing nor struggling, I want to cross the flood. Because if I start with these baggages, these luggage, I'll be finished. I don't want to carry any luggage. Because I have some important things to do in my life. I have to write, I have to think. Because life is very short. So I don't want to involve myself in any negativity, any third class campaigning, any politics. I want to involve myself in only creativity. I don't want to carry any luggage, any baggage. Because I want to enjoy my life. And I enjoy my life. When I go back to my residence, I enjoy to the fullest. I don't carry any baggage. I don't discuss people. I discuss things. I discuss theories. I discuss love. I discuss flower. I don't discuss people. वो मुतमईन है पत्थर पिघल नहीं सकता. वो मुतमईन है पत्थर पिघल नहीं सकता. मैं बेकरार हूं आवाज में असर के लिए. मैं बेकरार हूं आवाज में असर के लिए. And thank you very much.